Okay. Thank you.
Hey, Rochelle, you seated?
Rochelle.
Rochelle.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's to Dad from
Dad.
you guys.
Dad,
So pretty.
you see this?
Huh?
That
The
is
first one has
really
a war later today. Thank you guys down.
Oh, Dad, I love it. I don't have a purple scarf. Not like this. I have a really fancy, sweet one that Kathy got me years ago, but I love this. Let Dad open the chicken, or whatever that is, that country looking. That's from you guys.
Okay. Oh, that's
Wait. I want her to...
Beautiful. Thank you.
Oh, that is pretty.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love it.
Glad you're chopping this.
It's only taken 26 years for you to perfectly shop for me.